okay. Been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get a swag, I up my rent. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I need an opinion, it didn't depend. Why they talking my name if I didn't attend? Asking them questions and feel like the fans. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a treat, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
What it do, YouTube? Come on, man. We're not wasting the new year off. The new year just started. We still going hard, video on video. You know, I'm with Neo right now.
And if you guys didn't know, I dropped my second video today. Go check it out. Link right here.
Stop playing with him, man. He's really starting his YouTube journey. We're really about to take over 2024. I actually know this guy in real life. It's not, you know, we're not just internet friends. We're really doing this shit. We're really running this stuff up. You know, go follow him. I already told y'all. But for today's video, you know, we're going to be going to the most exotic spot in my city. Exotic drinks, exotic food. I'm not really wasting any time. Matter of fact, we already here.
Man.
Yeah. Yeah. This is gonna be, you know, a crazy video, but let's not waste no time and let's go ahead and get some exotic food. I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, so let's go ahead and get inside.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, don't. Fam.
Wait.
Wait, it's just open. Eat. Okay, what the?
Door.
Fam.
Don't make me cry.
Okay, that's looking. Fam, it's darker than a dung in there.
Cause I swear it's on this floor.
Fam.
What?
We are.
That can't be it. That doesn't. What?
I'm gonna ask this bunk. No, down there.
Did they move it or something?
Maybe.
Don't make us cry.
No way we came all the way to exotics and maybe we go through this entrance.
Bruh.
What is going on right now? Fam! Bruh, this guy dragged me out my house, said he knows the craziest spots in the city. I get here and it's freaking closed, man. Like, what's this guy on about? Like, this guy doesn't know crazy spots. This guy knows closed spots. Pre this guy.
And they close at 8. What
Eat.
Well,
Now, what is...
This is exotic clothes.
Nah, pre this, yo.
Oh, what is going on?
I'm about to just cook up some exotic snacks myself at this point. Pre-fam.
It's room size.
But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is a bad start to the video. This is one of the saddest days.
This is still 30 for me, but like, there's else more.
I'm crying.
Damn, man, no way.
Man said it was gonna be the craziest motive, craziest mans. I'm seeing nobody but Casper the freaking ghost. Cross. Yo. Nah, we got
Exotic, so we're gonna go to that one.
I'm telling you, we got the craziest backup story. Y'all were hating, saying exotic was closed, but just wait till you see this one.
Just wait till you guys see this.
Just wait till you guys see it.
Bitch, this my world, I ain't talking Disney. She talking, he try hard, we spin this block just like a frisbee, yeah.
What exotics, man?
Have you tried any of the primes?
Hell no, have you?
Oh yeah, bro.
Are they any good? You don't like prime, eh? Yo.
Exotic.
Man said exotic. Where? Figo moon mist.
Frosty Fuego.
Okay.
You got a cop?
Copping something. I'm seeing what.
Yo, I actually can't lie. I haven't tried this one though. I could cop this. I haven't tried this. So. I'll cop this. Yeah.
Yo, post the thumbnail real quick with the fig. Alright, 30. Yeah, I'm gonna get prime.
Alright, try a prime.
I'm gonna try a prime. Ooh, what snacks? Any snacks?
A couple snack too.
I don't know. I was thinking, but
I mean, I'm looking hungry, so.
damn, what one should I get? Let me know in the comment section, yo. I'll open the fridge. Which one's the best, yo? Which ones have you tried?
Those same with me. Cop this one too. This is the same one.
Okay, no, it's same one.
Yeah, but that one looks cool though.
Are they not the same?
No, these are different flavors, fam.
No, yeah, but this one and the two end ones are the same.
Oh yeah.
So which one's good?
Fam, I saw Romeo put them on.
Man said Romeo put them on this one.
The ice pop. This is ice pop.
I bet for which other flavor should I get? I'm getting ice pop and what?
What's this yellow one?
Lemonade.
What's that one?
Glowberry.
Try glowberry stuff.
Yeah?
It's new, yeah.
I bet. Man said it looks new.
Try that.
Man said it looks new. We go with that then. 30.
Snack too. Flavor.
Where's
Nicki
baby?
Minaj. Yeah.
Hey. I didn't even know they made those.
Hop in my bag and I'm on the radar. Two bad hoes tryna come for some. The hoes get brains, I know they both know.
All right, so you see us, we're back in the whip. Got the exotics, man. I'm not wasting no time. I've never tried Prime before. I've got ice pop and I've got glowberry.
And I got ice pop as well.
Firework though. It says
Firework.
firework. That looks neat.
You know, the popsicle. I haven't tried it, so I'm excited.
I want you guys to let me know in the comment section. Have you guys ever tried Prime? It was kind of going viral. Apparently it tastes like Gatorade. It tastes like all these different things. I've never tried, so I want to give it a try. So let's go ahead and get into this. Most exotic drinks in my city. Let's not waste no time.
So, Wavy and I, we copped some exotic drinks at the Bouge Exotics. I got a Fuego, Fire Rock.
And I got glowberry and ice pop.
Prime edition.
Let me know if you guys have ever tried Prime. I haven't. My first time.
Let's go right now.
I bet. Which one should I try first?
Let's both try this one.
I bet.
Firework.
Hold on. Oh, you hear that cracking sound? Yeah. Cheers. Cry.
No, yo, you should sip mine still. You should sip mine, yo. You should sip mine. That really tastes like a popsicle.
Yeah. I was about to say, it tastes like kind of like a freezy kind of drink.
Freezy, yeah. Let's try that shit.
Yours is better. I think yours is better.
Yo, I try to put the cap on yours,
Yay!
It's cap, but not, yeah. Yours is nice and sweet.
Yeah.
Bitter taste, but yeah, mine is more sweeter, but yeah. It's nice. It's actually nice.
Yeah.
Good choice. Good cop.
I rock with Prime.
K-Prime.
Now,
I'm still going in the ring with you, Logan Paul.
I still got glowberry, but yo, I think we need a thumbnail.
Thumbnail, yeah, for
Thumbnail,
sure.
yo. Yo, I still got a whole next drink. I still got glowberry. Should I try it?
Definitely.
I bet.
Don't save Christmas.
I lie.
Oh, you always gotta smell it first.
Yeah.
Something I did personally.
Yeah.
What are we giving?
This one's mid.
Mid.
I like the other one better. I like the first one better. That's just...
I like that. That's kind of
You
like
like that?
Kiwi. No, I like it a bit. It's mid, but like...
Which one's better?
No, definitely the pop.
Definitely,
Firework,
yeah.
For sure. This is like a Kiwi taste type
Yeah.
shit. But it's not terrible, but yeah.
It's okay. What do you give it on at a scale from 1 to 10? This one, glowberry.
Give that a 6, bruh.
And what about
that one? A 9 for sure.
Yeah, this one is fire. If you guys
that
see
one's
this one
fire.
in the store, stop playing. Go ahead and do yourself a favor and cop it, yo. This
Cop it,
one's
yo.
nice. If you see this one, I'm honestly past. They charged me like $3 for this, man. Get this shit away from me.
You actually threw it out, bro.
I'm not
We
playing
took
with
it
them.
seriously.
I'm not playing with them.
You actually threw it.
I'm not playing with
You actually
them.
threw it.
Yeah, our planet. Our planet. Yeah, we like you too.
Yeah, you too. We're not fucked up though. We're just lit.
Yo, this guy balls. dunked. All right, so without further ado, you know that's gonna be the end for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think we came to a conclusion that ice pop, you know, prime was the best cop of the day, best drink of the day, most exotic. Let me know what you guys would have choose in the store, if you guys would have picked something different, maybe a snack or something little baby chips. But let me know in the comment section. You got anything else you want to say before, you know, we head off?
See you guys in the next adventure. Hope you guys continue to keep up and watch my videos.
Yeah,
because I'm gonna be getting better at each time and every video. So
yeah. All I'm saying is 2024, we are going absolutely crazy. Me and Neo are about to take over YouTube. Hey man, if you're not tuned in, you better tune in before it's too late.
You guys have to thrive on, because I'm already thrived on now.
Yeah, let's go ahead and get it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's get it.
Been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get a swag, I up my rate.